And welcome to a 5-minute teardown of a UK 4-gang extension lead. So, what we're going to do is have a look at bits of it. Pop the fuse out. Not too dirty. Notice it's got a contact cover. And let's pop the screws out. So, oh, that's burying away already. There's the shutter mechanism that all UK plugs should have. Neat cable, neat cable retention. Doesn't look too bad. We might have to get the other camera in. Oh, I'll get the little camera out and looking at that, there doesn't seem to be any signs of overheating. A bit hard getting an angle in at some of these. A bit discoloured, but I think a little bit of sandpaper and just to tidy up the edges. I don't see a problem with this extension lead. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. So, I won't bore you with that, but I'll just rub some sandpaper down there, see if I can make it to make a noise. Well, gave it a quick whiz with some sandpaper in the contacts, and time to stick it back together. We'll do that trick where you're meant to turn them back. Can't feel anything, so oh, there it goes. Where you're meant to turn them back until you feel them click over the thread that's already cut. So you go back in the same thread. Did you hear that? Click. So it should be going back in the same thread it cut last time. Can I give that a bit of a helping hand? No. There you go. Fuse in. Oh, it's plugged in. See neon lights on. So no hissing, no noises. Might have to wait till we've plugged a few things in. But I think that can go into service in my toy room because it's not powered all the time, and I'll buy her a new one. So that was it. Quick teardown of a UK 4-gang extension lead.